Good evening, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today in the afternoon, I've accomplished my 1000th medium Sudoku or puzzle. And let's continue. Yes, let's continue. And in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, February the 6th, 2023, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku number 5916. 5916. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, we have here 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 1 7, 3 8s, and 2 9s. It's divided. Alright, let me see which number I can start. How about yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 4 7 1 4 7. 3 missing numbers now in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 4 7 1 4 7 1 4 7 1 4 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in the third row, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 7. Wait. Okay. Then 1 5 9 9 9. Okay. Let me see. 2 2. Okay. 5 5. 3 3. Okay. 7. Well. 9. Yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and a 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in. Oh, no. We already have a 9 here. Not good. But one of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in this middle row, so no 5 in that box. So one box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 1 2 3 is missing. 4 5 6 is missing. 3 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 3. Well, cannot continue here. Need to wait. 5 5. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 2, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 5 8, 2 5 8, 2 5 8, 2 5 8, and look, we have a 2 and 8 in the second column. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So one digit left in this big square for the number 5. Right. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this second column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 5, okay, 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. Then. Let me see. How about 1 yeah. Come on. 4 4 3 3. Well, 3 6 and a 9. 3 6 and a 9. Well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in the second column, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So one box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, overlook this 2. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. How about 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Oh, right. And now, let me see about these 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 7 9. 379, 379, 379. Cannot fill this yet. The other three missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 146, 146, 146. Okay. That means in this box can be a 6. We have a 6 here. So this box should be a 1 or a 4. And now we have a pair, 1 and a 4. So these three missing numbers in this row should be the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3, 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Here can be a 9. Here could be a 9, could be a 9. Oh, I need to wait here. Okay. How about these three missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row. Third row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So one digit left in the first column for number 5. Oh wait, 5 in this row. Third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 in the third row. 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1. How about these two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 4 and 7. We have a 7 now in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes at there. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, excuse me, that column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. I've marked these 3 boxes with the 3, 7, and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in that row, no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 should be there. So the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 4. The other pair in this big square are the, the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay, need to wait. Here also 1 and a 4. 7 and a 9. Well. 1, 4, and the 7. I need a 7 here. Oh, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Here we have 2 numbers, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Here we have also 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, 3 stars. Well, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with other 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 4 stars, the binary, and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.